In our industry, there's a lot of trust between our vendor suppliers on what works and what doesn't work, because a lot of our capital investments are into big equipment or machinery. Because we're such a small, tight-knit community, a lot of the times we're helping each other, partnering, working together to subcontract work out as production increases or decreases. When it comes to software and we find something that works, naturally we're going to be sharing that information. And so I'm very passionate about sharing the benefits of what this software can provide to these factory owners. I would say when meeting these customers where they are, you have to take into account all the challenges that they're experiencing every day. Your machine's going down, friction between your employees, motivating the team to show up every day and producing. A lot of this software is going to help bring clarity to a lot of that. And I think the biggest challenge for a lot of business owners is they just don't even know where they're starting from. I had a factory come visit me to tour and look at shop floor, and she saw one of our dress shirts on the showroom wall. And she had said, no, I would never touch anything like that. And I asked her, I said, why wouldn't you touch something like that? She said, oh, because we wouldn't make any money. And I said, why do you think that? And she said, I just know. I think the reason why you don't produce this is because you don't know how much it costs you. And once you can quantify how much it costs you, then you know how much you can sell it for, and you can find profitability, and it brings complete clarity to the whole process. A lot of manufacturers are really almost eyeballing a lot of this, and it's kind of surprising that it's not more common. And again, it's a very human manufacturing process. People are sick, people call out, people aren't feeling that day. You have a lot of variability. And so the more you can take that up and down to a more level line, the more control you have over it. And that's why I very much focus on always being 100% every day, because I know what 100% is going to cost us time-wise, which translates into costs. I would say really put yourselves in the factory owner's shoes, be patient, understand their processes, share stories like mine, show them the benefits of how it impacted me in so many ways. And I think really educate how to properly run a manufacturing facility. Show what a profitability metric looks like. Show how we can cost out our products from a full supply chain perspective. And I think that will help build a lot of trust with these potential clients to say, okay, I'm gonna put faith into this software to help guide my business.